Hey everyone, it's Ivan, kitbadger.com, out here for our first look at some cool new stuff from friends over at Shooting Surplus, Radian Firearms, and B&T. We'll go ahead and start with B&T. A while back, I ended up going out to Sons of Liberty Gunworks, ended up filming, building a couple guns out, uppers rather, and I ended up getting a couple different muzzle devices from B&T. I ended up shooting this one actually at a recent, I guess, 2-day intro to winter skills with Bill Rapier. Pretty awesome. But this right here is a flash hider. It is also the host for the B&T suppressor, for the M.A.R.S suppressor, I guess it is. Basically, they ended up submitting for the Marine Corps Suppressor Program, and like a lot of things with the government, they just stopped the solicitation for suppressors, but they ended up submitting a suppressor for that program. And bam, here it is. It's pretty light. So ideally, the Marine Corps, as well as all the branches of service, will end up having all suppressed weapons, which will hopefully keep people from getting tinnitus like I have. Awesome. And this should just go on there. Boom. Magic. Dedicated 5.56 can. Apparently this thing has 0 barrel restrictions, and yeah, dedicated 5.56 can. It is the USMC 17. Serial number 0006. 4 zeros, 3 zeros. Huh, sweet. I'm excited. But before I get to this, I'm gonna get to this other stuff. A while back, like probably 6 or 8 months ago, I had the opportunity to go down and film with Radian Weapons out of Oregon, and they do a lot of really cool stuff. On the one hand, charging handles, selectors, all that stuff, but then they make full-blown complete rifles like Radian Model 1. And when I was there, I got to check this out. Basically, their new barrel and comp. Pretty neat. At the time, I want to say there's probably like an NDA in place, so couldn't talk about it, couldn't show photos, but ended up finally getting my hands on this. This one right here, of course, is for a Glock 19, which I don't have, but thanks to Shooting Surplus, I now do have. So in here, should have Glock 19, I believe Gen 5, which will be awesome. I think I have a Gen 2, Gen 3, and then this will be a Gen 5. We're gonna go ahead and skip 4 because that was not very much Glock perfection on Gen 4. But here's this guy. Bam. Sweet. Brand new Gen 5 Glock 19. So gonna go ahead and install this guy real quick. Having cleared this out, we'll go ahead and take it down so we can swap that barrel out. One of the things I actually really appreciate about the Radian brake is that it comes with a barrel. So rather than taking a random threaded aftermarket barrel and then hoping it works with whatever random aftermarket comp you end up with, this is basically one piece, all designed to fit together. And what's really cool is the magic of tapers. So the screw right here drops in, it is tapered, and basically it just requires it to go to 15 inch-pounds. No need for Loctite, rock set, anything along those lines. Make sure I get this guy going right. And screw that thing in. 15 inch-pounds. And we'll put this guy back together. And yeah, pretty slick, pretty cool, just all of it. Aesthetic, everything. And what's really nice, especially once you go down the road of guns and holsters, this right here being my Gen 2 Glock 17 and 17 holster. Boom. Black Point Tactical FO3 holster. So rather than having to go out, purchase new holsters, this will fit in pretty much any 17 holster. So I'm going to go ahead, jam up some magazines for the Ruination Cold Start. I can tell you right now, temperature, not going to help my performance. So if we're being totally honest right now, in the circle of trust, I'm going to say, don't really want to be here at this minute. It's really cold. My fingers don't want to work. But behind me is a Ruination Cold Start. I have a magazine of 8 rounds loaded up and shoot 1 round into the low probability target, 3 into the high, 1 into the low, 3 into the high, conduct a reload, pocket reload. Another magazine, 8 rounds, same thing, and part time is something really fast, but we're gonna do it live. Let's do this. Oh God. I got this. Not my best work. Yeah. Other strong side foot forward. Nope, didn't matter. I didn't pass. You know how sometimes everything just goes as planned? This was not that sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some slow aim fire with this pistol, since apparently I don't know how to shoot it. And after that, probably stretch it out, shoot a little bit of steel. Oh well. All right, I reassured myself I kind of-ish still know how to shoot, so let's do this. About 15 yards. Apparently does not like this crappy spark ammunition. Weird, since some other guns don't like it too. Here we are at 25 yards. Don't know why I have a hard time at 3 yards, but we'll go ahead and move back. All right, here we are at 50 yards. 75%. It's a C, right? Passing? Take it. At like 10 yards, I have no idea what kind of splits I can shoot with my other strong hand, but we'll go for it. Tiger reload. Whew, it's cold. Definitely dropped a shot or two. 271, 306, 336, 366, 399, 429, 457, 486, 512, 544, 574, 1097. The reload. I will say, for whatever reason, this gun does not seem to like this kind of garbage remanufactured ammo from Spark Munitions. 2021, 2022, thanks for nothing. I actually ran into issues with some other guns with that, but time to holster this gun and shoot a little bit of carbine. If you are wondering, no, it has decidedly not gotten any warmer since I got out there. All right. Let's do this. The fingers still don't work. Man, this thing is gassed really nice. The gun can too, I guess. Sounds really good too. All right, 100. $200. $300. Try a shot. Nope, probably not. As I end up putting in more time with all of this stuff, I'll bring you guys full reviews. Overall, aside from me on my left-handed journey, and some kind of crap ammo. I think this thing's pretty cool. Definitely looking forward to shooting it. Probably have to put in some time with my strong hand with this thing as well, see what I can squeeze out of it. And as far as cans go, super impressed with this thing so far, especially with how light it is. And yeah, hopefully the Marine Corps picks these up. But again, as I get more time, bring you guys full reviews. And as always, thanks for joining us at kitbadger.com. Look forward to seeing you next time. Peanut, what are you doing? Ah.